In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on display and brightness over here. Now scroll again and this time select refresh rate available under reading mode. Finally, you can tap on default or select custom. If you decided to pick custom, tap on refresh rate below it and select one of those. If you tapped on the highest one, you will see this option here, apps using high refresh rate. After tapping on it, you can manage those switches next to your apps to allow or deny using high refresh rate. To deny, tap on blue switcher, and to allow, scroll all the way down to click on gray one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!